What's up, you guys? It's Roger here. So I wanted to make this quick video just to demonstrate and tell you about the benefits of walking. And what's nice right now, I'm in Dallas getting my little steps on. What's nice about walking is that it's super low impact. It's super low on the whole stress aspect of your body. And it's actually pretty great in terms of it doesn't require much energy for you to go walk. And what's nice is by simply walking a mile or two, getting your steps in every single day, basically you're burning, for instance, if you walk 1 mile, you're gonna burn 100 calories. If you walk 2 miles, you're gonna burn on average about 2 calories. And there's obviously all these little things that make a difference, but whether that be your weight, your metabolic rate, all of that stuff. But what's nice is that you can do this exercise pretty much anywhere, and it has tremendous benefits for you. As being out in nature in a beautiful place is good for your mind, and walking and exploring and seeing and hearing the birds is really, really calming. And it's really, really good for you because the more you walk, your hips are designed to walk. There's actually a bunch of research done that our hips, the way they're designed, we're designed to be walking 4 miles a day. And nowadays we just sit a lot, and sitting so much does have a negative impact on our body. So I wanted to make this quick video just to promote to you that you don't have to be training super hard all of the time. Actually, right now I'm in a cutting phase, and for this cut I'm actually going to be in the gym 2, max 3 times in the gym. But I'm going to spend most of my days now while I'm working just making sure that I'm getting my calories dialed in, my protein dialed in, as well as my steps dialed in. And if I can get those things down, then this cut should come out really, really solid. And if you can do that, literally just go for a walk. If you struggle with it, go for a walk for, set a timer, go walk for 5 minutes, and then build it up to 10 minutes. And then really at first focus on walking for a certain amount of time, and then you can start to focus on walking distances. But don't sleep on walking, because walking is one of the most underrated, one of the best exercises you can do to get in great shape. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Also consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Go walk today.